Okay, the program is built. Let me wait a little for the index.html file to open up. And this is basically the UI created. So it basically, it works just like a simple UI implemented on a display. So I can increase this bar slide. I can input a name here. I don't know, name like this. If you don't have a display like this to create user interfaces, you can still run LVGL applications in the cloud. All you need is an internet connection. So go to the LVGL GitHub repository and go to the first link over here. Then go to code and let's create a code space here by clicking on create code space on master. Basically, this will create a virtual environment and the app will run inside a container. So click on create code space. Let's wait a little. Okay, let me increase the font size. So if I go to File, Preferences, Settings, and then increases to 26, I go to the LVGL app. Then I have to go to LVGL config.h because I have to set a macro which takes care of the file system used. So if I search for memfs, you have to set it to a letter. In my case, actually the font size didn't change. So if I go again to File, Preferences, Settings, Font, it didn't change at all. So if I go 26, it should be way better. Now let me go to the config.h and change this to any letter because this will no, not this one, this will emulate a file system. So I have to select a drive, then go to the main file, and let me explain you something. Basically, this makes use of the SDL library, which is a low-level library written in C, which takes care of the peripherals inside the machine. So it will basically take care of the input handling. So let me show you the code a little. This is setting the resolution of the display. Then we initialize the LVGL, and here we initialize the HAL. Let me go to the HAL init function, and this basically creates the window, mouse wheel, and the keyboard as well. And then we run basically the widget example. So let me show you how to build a project. So go to these three lines, then terminal, new terminal, and all you have to do is click on the build all file and drop it inside the terminal, and it will basically run the application because it contains all the commands used to build the program. So paste it and click enter. Let me increase like this. Okay, the program is built. Let me wait a little for the index.html file to open up. So let me see, and this is basically the UI created. So it basically it works just like a simple UI implemented on a display. So I can increase this bar slide. I can input a name here. I don't know, name like this. By the way, if you're interested in learning more about embedded systems, if you want to get more access to me, I have a free school community. You can join by clicking the link down in the description. I'll be hosting programming webinars in here, and I can't wait to see there. So if I go back here, let me actually change to another UI just to show you that it's not something fake. So if I go to lvconfig.h, I have to set another macro to 1 because I want to run the music example. So if I go to the LVGL folder again, which contains the library. So let me go to the demos folder, then go to the widgets. No, not actually widgets, to music, and then go to music.h, and let me find the function which runs the music UI example. This is the function lvdemo music. Just copy it and go to the main file and paste it over here. So I'll comment out the demo widgets and I'll paste this function, and let me run the program again. So if I go here to these three dashes, then to terminal, new terminal, and I'll copy the build.sh content inside the terminal, and I'll build it again. Let me open the index.html file again, and this is basically the demo, the music player. So it works. As you can see over here, I can play the music and then go to the next music and so on. That's it for today's video.